In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Logitech mouse, that is the M185. In case the clicks are not working properly, or maybe even the scroll wheel is not working as it's supposed, let me show you how to open it and fix this issue. So remove the cover, remove the dongle if it's there, and also remove the battery. Next step, you're gonna find over here a Phillips head screw. You can see it, it's sitting right there. So you need a small Phillips head screwdriver like this one. I'll put links in the description if you don't already have a set of small screwdriver. So let's remove this first screw. Great, don't lose, because it's quite easy to lose the screw. And now to remove the top plate of the mouse, you can take the same screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. It's a bit easier like this. And you're gonna see right over there, I'm trying to make a close-up, there is a tab, okay? When I put my screwdriver here, there's a tab that I need to push in that direction to unclip the panel. So I'm there, I'm simply pushing it gently. It doesn't take much force, and the top panel has been removed. Set this aside, and if we take a look inside, you're gonna notice that we have the right click, this small grating, the scroll wheel, and the left click. At this point, you may have some hair, some debris, some dust that has entered these components. Take a blower like this one, or if you have a compressed air can, it's even better. And let's blow the big debris first. After you've done this, take some WD-40, and we need to put 1 to 2 drops, doesn't take much, over here, over there, there, and there. Okay, so let me do it with you. I'll try to be precise. I'll put again a link in the description if you don't have a can. Okay, just like that. I haven't put too much. Now you simply have to click the small clicker many times, just to make sure that the WD-40 penetrates the clicker. Okay, so click like this during a minute, just to make sure it goes inside. Do the same thing, okay, and apply some WD-40 right over here. This is for the scroll wheel, in case this was the issue. Okay, and the other side, this is where the click of the scroll wheel happens. You see the button there? You can put some as well. Do the same thing for the other button. I even put too much. And now go ahead and click. Use the scroll wheel, click the scroll wheel. Do this during a minute or two, just to make sure that it goes inside. At the end, you can take a tissue and wipe out the excess WD-40 that is still sitting over here. And after doing this, I recommend you put back the battery, you turn on the mouse, and you test everything just to make sure that it's working before reassembling the whole thing. If you notice that it's working, this is great. To put back the front plate, you first need to align the front of the mouse. Okay, let me show you. Because if you're not doing it properly, you're gonna break the tabs. This you see, I put the front of the mouse and then the back. Simply put the screw back. And after doing this, you can go ahead and start using the mouse. Okay, turn on, and this is it. If this video was helpful, please take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.